Malé is the smallest capital in the world? I bet you didn't know that. For my vacation, I have chosen Fushifaru Island. It's one of the 1,000 island Maldives have. It is the most exquisite, chic, luxury style Maldivian resort. It's not an ordinary resort, guys. This is the most beautiful island I have ever been to, and this is nothing less than a paradise. It's heaven on earth. So let's get going and I'll give you a small tour of this beautiful island.
My name is Sharif. So I'm from Maldives. So I work in Fushifaru. Fushifaru is best.
What a bright morning. I'm heading for my breakfast. So let's try Maldivian breakfast. Let's go. I'm starving.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
So tell me about Maldivian breakfast.
Yeah, it's actually not Maldivian breakfast also. It's have some Indian breakfast also.
Some Indian breakfast also, okay.
We have some aloo matar and fish curry. Some chutney. Oh, the chutney for is dosa. It's like
Are they like making this chutney homemade?
homemade? Yes.
Okay.
All of homemade.
So fresh. So nice. Also you make dosa.
Yes, dosa. The chutney for dosa.
The chutney for dosa.
And
And
this
what
is
is
the
this?
Maldivian breakfast. It's called masuni.
Mashuni.
Yes, masuni.
And this is what?
And they put it inside coconut, onion, chili. There's chapati and that masuni. That inside put that coconut and masuni. Is masuni should be cold, not hot. And chapati should be like that.
And this is your traditional
Yes,
Maldivian
Maldivian
chili.
It's very spicy.
It is very spicy.
spicy.
Yes, I
You
tried.
just put little bit also. It's like oh,
What's that? Lemongrass?
coffee leaf. It's Maldivian like lettuce.
Oh, lovely.
Some of sliced coconut. On the top, some grated coconut.
So this is your traditional
Yes, traditional Maldivian breakfast.
Indian breakfast. Let's try this traditional breakfast, mashuni, that's what you call it. It's wrapped like in something similar like tortilla with coconut filling inside. And it's served cold, it's not a hot, you can say, wrap. It's like minced chicken. Well, and you must have with coconut. How sweet and fresh this coconut is. It actually tastes really good. It's a little bit of spicy. You feel this touch of coconut. So guys, this is the entrance of Fushifaru Island. And this is where you check in. To see, this way is where all the sunrise pools are. They have 63 beach villas. 63 beach villas in this beautiful resort, and they all have their private pool. Isn't this amazing? This is the way you head for the sunrise pool villas. In the morning, you get to see this beautiful, gorgeous sun rising from your villa. So what is more interesting is that you have your personalized host that takes care of all your activities for the day. My host is Kathy. Let me go and introduce you to her. Kathy is going to give us a beautiful tour of Fushifaru Island.
Nice to work in Maldives, especially if you're aiming for saving. Really?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm sure. Here, where do you go to shop in the malls?
Yes.
Do you have vacancies for pharmacists?
No, they don't have.
I think you have a place in here.
It's a clinic right here. You can work here.
Our
I can
in-house.
be your assistant, trust me. Just hire us and
Like this one?
yeah.
They will faint.
So our in-house doctor important. She have a very important role here, especially in these times of COVID-19.
Of course.
All the guests,
Yeah.
most of the guests, is required to have a negative PCR testing upon their departure.
Yes, you're told of that. And yeah, talking about sandbank, where's the sandbank?
The sandbank is beside.
And we take a seaboat or
Yes.
not?
We have activities in Sandbank. We have 2 hours private visit. All the visits in Sandbank should be private.
Why?
Because that is a Fushifaru experience.
Okay.
To make feel what is the feeling to be in an empty island, sandbank like that. Reading a book in empty island, you know.
Ah, I get it.
So
That's more like you feel more private.
private.
And how long it takes the seaboat?
Not in 5 minutes.
Check out the spa, guys. Hello. Good afternoon. How are
This is
you?
Rachel, Kabayan as well.
Hello, kabayan.
Hello.
Kamusta ka?
Abute. They are our great therapists here in Haley Spa.
Beautiful. And do you guys have some Maldivian massage?
Yes, we have our signature massage. They have a lot of kind of treatments.
Wow, looking forward.
Yes, yes.
Already a
Yes.
tiring day.
I will look for that.
So you have to suggest me the best massage I need to have before I go back to that busy city life.
Oh, the fragrance. It's very relaxing, huh? Very relaxing fragrance.
These are all taken from the beach side?
Mm-hmm.
No, you cannot steal them. She loves stealing these, you know?
As a souvenir?
No.
If it's bigger than that, the immigration will hold you and not let you to go.
You see that?
This is a perfect view to have a dinner, the beautiful sea.
This is so tempting.
That's why I decided to do it. Just an amazing view.
Yes, the view.
This is the last day.
Notice the shape of the island is like oblong.
Map of the island.
Incredible.
And if you can tell me how long or how many years this island?
2017, 1920. So almost 4 years in this coming November. Take a quick video of this one.
What is this?
It's called helmet crab.
Helmet?
Helmet crab.
Helmet crab.
Crab. Yeah.
Helmet crab. Wow. And is it like you find this exclusively on islands?
Yes.
Is it dangerous or what?
It's
Little biting.
Yes.
Let me show you guys this beautiful water villas, which was a lockdown project for Fushifaru, in which in just 7 months they were able to build this 14 water villas. I had to voice over this because, as you can see from my background, it is really windy, and I thought that it is better that I will explain it in my words rather than you guys struggling to understand what it is actually. And that's what Kathy is trying to tell us, that these are the water villas. What is really interesting about water villa, it is located right in the center of the ocean, and you are surrounded by a private pool, and the villa has a private jacuzzi. I will show you my villa around when I get a chance to shift in. No, don't spoil me, Kathy. You're just spoiling me a lot. Very excited. excited now. We're going to see coconut show. Let's see how coconuts are grown here in Maldives.
And these are the syllables. And on top of the syllables, we have got the enunciation. Now we have got over here, we have got coconut show written. And right below, we have got coconut show in our language. And then we have got Assalamu alaikum, which is also Arabic, which means peace upon you. And this is a coconut flower. This would be at the crown of the coconut palm tree, connected to the heart of the coconut palm. It's called the palm of heart, and these flowers will eventually become bunches of coconut. About our language. So when it comes to the Maldives, we speak an Indo-Aryan language, a language which is based upon the Sanskrit language, and our language comprises of Sanskrit, Malayalam, a language which is spoken in south of the India, and we've got Tamil, and then we've got Sinhalese from Sri Lanka, Bengal from Bangladesh, and also partly from India. And then we have a little bit of Portuguese in the mix from the Portuguese invasion of the Maldives. We have Arabic from the 12th century of trading with the Arabs and the conversion to Islam. And then we have a little bit of English from the English protectorate. So the Maldivian language is comprised of all of these different languages. It's a mixture. It is a very rich language. But as I mentioned before, in the Maldives we have only 200 islands which are inhabited by the local people. So when it comes to our language, there are 6 different variations or dialects that are spoken throughout Maldives. And the dialects are so different because I'm from the south of the Maldives, and if there is someone from the north of the Maldives who haven't really been out of the island, if they have a conversation with me, if I speak my local dialect, they wouldn't understand a single thing.
Coconut show. We had so much of knowledge that I could have never imagined having it. Thank you so much, and thank you as well. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Fushifaru. My name is Lenny from Indonesia, Bali. Through Fushifaru, yes, we can give the experience in Maldives, and we can make the guests feeling fantastic. We love Fushifaru. It's like the paradise. We have the beautiful ocean.
Let's head to Tutti Bar for some nice refreshing drinks. So what you got here? Salads, mocktails. You have pina colada? Yes, we have pina colada. Please, thank you so much. It's so beautiful and breezy today. You guys see that swing? I really wanted to explore that, but I cannot really swim there for now because the waves are way too high, and you can see it's almost sinking in between, so it's not advisable to do it now. I hope to do it tomorrow. Oh, here's my pina colada. Okay. so refreshing. Much needed in this breezing hot summer. Hello.
Hello.
What's for dinner today?
It's Arabian night.
Arabian night. Wow.
So we have a specialty all this here.
Yeah.
Let's start from here. Babagones, halu cheese, hummus, lime leaves.
So
And
nice.
on the side we have tabule.
Tabole. Hey.
And here is the shawarma. You can have.
Shawarma.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine.
This reminds me of Dubai.
Yeah.
Any juicy part. Thank you. This is with sauce, black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper and the pork sauce.
Thank you, Ali. What do we get here? Pancake? No.
Yes, yeah. Crab with nut.
Are we having Arabic dessert?
Yeah, we have some.
Omali. Check this, guys. Omali. Hey, this is so different. I have to try that. So today they have Arabic night and it looks like they're up to date with the taste and it really is so authentic. I mean, I wonder how they're able to manage with keeping the same taste as what we get in Dubai. Really nice food. Plus they have the traditional Arabic wine leaves and tastes so good, same like the one that you get in Dubai. Very nice food. Now I'm trying this shawarma. They have made it the Arabic style. It somewhat tastes similar to doner, but it's very nice, and the way they have made chicken is with a touch of Maldivian spices. Maldivian spices are usually a little bit on a higher note and they are super spicy. It takes a while for you to get used to it, but nice. This, guys, is one of the bestest dessert I have ever tried till date. It's mango mousse and it is so delicious and refreshing that I just can't getting over with this, because usually the one that I try in other countries, they usually are not the, how can I say, they are usually canned mangoes, but this particular one is fresh. You see this puree on the top and this is the bottom part, which is the mousse, and it's so delicious. Damn, you must try. Where are you from, chef?
I'm from Dhaka, Bangladesh.
Amazing to know that. What is your name?
My name is Shumon.
Shumon.
S-U-M-O-N.
Shumon, it was amazing meeting you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Once again, welcome to Fushifaru.
ये दीवानापन देखो जरा